Bonjour. So do you also pronounce this, and this same way in French? Don't. Let me tell you the difference. So the first one, E, is pronounced as a in French and it has a soft sound. The sound of this letter is also a. Let's see few words. M-E is pronounced as M. M. T-E, T. T-E, T. N-E, N. S-E, S. L-E, L, not lay, L. Now let's see how do we pronounce this word. P-Ti, pati. D-ma, dama. V-neer, vanir. Now let's see the second one. A avec accent aigu. E avec accent aigu has a sound of A, like me, te, se. Now let's see a few words. This one, ca-fe, cafe. Te, te. And this one, e-te, ete. Be, be, bebe. And the third one with accent grave, a avec accent grave, has a sound of a, like E in bed. So here are some examples. M-E with accent grave, me. P-E avec accent grave, pe. R-E with accent grave, re. Let's look at some words now. M-E accent grave, me. R-E without any accent, r. So it will be mère, mère. P-E avec accent grave, pe. And again R-E without any accent, r. So it will be père. F-R-E with accent grave and R-E, frère, frère. So E without any accent has a sound of a, like me, te, se. E avec accent aigu has a sound of A, like me, te, se. And the third one, E with accent grave has a sound of A, like me, te, se. So I hope this drill will help you. So listen, repeat and save this for practice. Au revoir.